And speaking of cures, could the world get a made-in-India coronavirus vaccine? Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech's candidate vaccine has now got the nod for human trials. This effectively means that it can test the safety and dosage on small human groups. With at least 10 more candidates in the race, will there be an Indian vaccine soon?
A big breakthrough in India's fight against COVID. Covaxin, a potential COVID-19 vaccine, has got the Drug Controller General of India's approval to conduct Phase 1 and Phase 2 human clinical trials. The vaccine is developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology. The trials are scheduled to start in July.
We are proud to announce Covaxin, a live inactivated vaccine that is being developed at Bharat Biotech in partnership with ICMR and National Institute of Virology, Pune, and a public-private partnership. We are happy to say that DCGI gave a nod for conducting Phase 1 and 2 clinical trial soon.
Globally, there are at least 10 more vaccine candidates that are testing safety and dosage on small groups of people. Typically, it takes about 8 to 10 years for a vaccine to reach the markets from the lab. With COVID vaccine trials being accelerated, the first 2 phases of trials are being combined, which could take up to 4 months. Phase 3, which tests the efficacy of the vaccine, could take another 4 months to 2 years. Once the trial results are submitted, regulatory approvals could take up to 6 months, which means if all goes well, Covaxin could be available in India only by late next year.
वैक्सीन की खोज में सारी दुनिया लगी है, भारत भी लगा है, हमारे वैज्ञानिक भी लगे हैं, हमारा बायोटेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट है, ड्रग इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कई लोग हैं, हमारा ICMR है। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अगर सफलता अच्छी क्वालिटी की मिलेगी तो अगले साल तक जो है कोई ना कोई वैक्सीन भी ज़रूर विकसित होनी चाहिए। भारत इसके प्रयासों में किसी दुनिया के देश से कम नहीं है, ये मैं आपको विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ।
Bharat Biotech, which has developed Covaxin, currently makes vaccines for polio, rabies, rotavirus, Japanese encephalitis and other diseases. Other Indian firms engaged in the development of COVID-19 vaccines include Zydus Cadila, Serum Institute of India and since earlier this month, Panacea Biotech. So the question is, will a made-in-India vaccine win the race?
It's a big breakthrough for an indigenous vaccine to be given an approval and will go into human trials. Or this is the phase that will decide the effectiveness of the vaccine, which will be tried out in various sections of the population. And at a time when the cases and numbers are surging throughout the country, it comes across as a ray of hope with India in the race for the vaccine for coronavirus. Milan Sharma with Ashish Pandey for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.